Guru's teaching. Upadeshaushadham datte samaye guru vaidyakaha bhavarogad vimokshaha syat sarvabandha vimochakaha sarvabandha vimochakaha. The doctor called Sadguru gives the medicine called Upadesha. It cures us from the terrible disease called samsara. We get different types of knowledge from normal teachers. This learning helps us earn money and lead a happy life. But it also throws us into desires, anger, greed, and ego. Due to this, we become miserable. Getting jnana is the only way to come out of this misery. Jnana is the knowledge about Paramatma. The only teacher who can give jnana is Sadguru. To get jnana, we must surrender to him. Every teaching he gives is a medicine. A doctor does not give the same medicine to every patient. Based on the disease, he gives different medicine to different patients. In the same way, the doctor called Sadguru gives different advice to different devotees. All of them ultimately lead us to jnana only.